I'm Jared Deanda. We're here in Kenosha, Wisconsin at Snap-on Tools World Headquarters. I'm here with John Majorowski, and we're talking about pressure testers. This, tried and true, analog, gauge. Many technicians have this tool. It's a necessity, but innovation never sleeps. Wireless pressure tester from Snap-on.
So what we have laid out in front of us here is this add-on kit. So with that, you get the wireless pressure system tester, you get the adapters to be able to do compression, fuel, oil, transmission, and vacuum, and it works with the existing kits you already have.
This is a standalone unit, but if you want to take it to the next level, you can download the free app, available on any device, Apple, Android, and you can actually catalog this. All right, so without further ado, let's test this.
What we're going to do is simulate a compression test, for instance, a cylinder of a vehicle, and we see on the chart there that we are recording the minute and the max.
So simulate
Pressure.
essentially a cylinder or a piston going up and down or pressure.
Yep.
And now I'm going to save that. You can also customize it with technician name, work order number, and then to take it even further, you can select it, next, and you could share it in a group on social media if you have ASE certified technicians that you want to share any of this with. Also, the customer. You can print it off as well. You can customize with your shop name, all the info, the graph, it's all there.
Yeah, for instance here, as we were just going through the test of a cylinder, you know, a customer may have brought in their vehicle and said, hey, it's kind of sluggish, or I don't know, I think I might be getting a misfire. Hey, we're going to test all 8 cylinders, see where the compression comes in at, and maybe through the test they see, hey, you know, I can show you this report of all 8 cylinders. You can see cylinder number 3 seems to not be hitting as hard as the others. Using the analog gauge, and you'd be sitting down with your notebook and testing each cylinder and just writing down all the different things and coming up with that and sharing it. So this is something that really speeds up the process.
Yeah, on the back end or the customer end or just the technology, pushing just a little bit further. As you can see, innovation, technology, efficiency, it's all there. Talk to your franchisee today about picking up one of these wireless pressure testers.